Good morning, dear students. In last class, we have completed our chapter number 6, and we also completed our book exercise. In today's class, we are going to start our new chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals. We know that nowadays a great threat to survival of these animals and plants are occurred. Then this is the main reason of conservation of plants and animals. You all are here about the national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserves. What is the purpose of making these parks, sanctuaries and biosphere? The main purpose is conservation of plants and animals. So, the number of plants and animals, different varieties of plants and animals found on our earth, but nowadays these numbers are decreases day by day. Why the number of plants and animals decreases day by day? The main reason is deforestation. The main reason is deforestation. So deforestation cause means we can say this is the main reason of threat of survival of these organisms. Then we will discuss what is the meaning of deforestation. Deforestation means clearing of forest, cutting the trees and using that land for other purpose. So there are many purpose of mankind which fulfill by the cutting of trees, by the clearing of trees. So these are the main purpose. First one is procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, making furniture or using wood as a fuel. For these purpose we use land, we clearing the forest, we cut the trees in the forest. Okay, so these are the main made reason. And other reason is natural disasters like forest fires, severe drought are also responsible of decrease the number of animals and plants on the earth. So we can say there are two main factor of decrease the number of plants and animal. First one is man made and second one is natural. So you can perform one activity, you can search many or other factors and differentiate into the man made and natural and prepare a table. One side you write natural factors and other side you write man-made factor and differentiate into natural and man-made. Okay, so deforestation is the main reason we will discuss. Now we will discuss consequence of deforestation. There are many consequences of deforestation. The first one is deforestation increase the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It also increase the level of carbon dioxide on atmosphere. It also decrease the water level. It disturb the balance in nature. It also it also decrease the rainfall and fertility of soil. And other is it increase the chance of natural calamities such as flood and droughts. And we also know plants use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in its increase the temperature. It's increase the temperature. So these are the main consequence of deforestation. This will lead to global warming. Means if temperature of earth increases, if temperature of earth increases, then glaciers are melt down and the water level of seas and ocean are increases, and all the nearby countries which is nearby to the oceans and seas submerged into the water. So this is known as global warming. And we also know ki, as global warming as carbon dioxide trap that heat rays reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturb the water cycle, may reduce rainfall. This could cause drought. Deforestation is main cause which leads to the change in soil property. Means due to deforestation soil properties also changes. First, physical properties of soil get affected by plantation and vegetation. We also discussed in 7th class. How trees prevent soil erosion. Trees are very responsible for soil erosion. Fewer trees result in more soil erosion. Removal of the top layer of the soil expose the lower hard and rocky layer. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. Gradually, the fertile land get converted into desert. It is called desertification. Means when fertile land convert into the desert form, is not as desertification. So this is the reason of deforestation. Deforestation also decrease the water holding capacity of soil. The movement of water from the soil surface into the ground is reduced, means the flow of water from surface to ground decreases. So there are the floods. And the other properties of soil like nutrient content, texture also change due to the deforestation. So these are the main causes of deforestation. So deforestation causes different harmful effects. First, drought, global warming, desertification, decrease the soil properties, physical properties, chemical properties. So we should conserve the plants and animals. We should conserve the plants. If we continuously cut the trees, then deforestation occur, and deforestation occur, then it causes different harmful effects. Thank you so much. Now in next class we will discuss conservation of forest and wildlife.